Right?
Yeah.
Hey, it's Isaac.
No, it isn't.
It is Isaac.
No.
And he's gonna do us a quick unboxing, aren't you? Ah, what are you crying for? What's in the box? What were you unboxing?
I don't know what it's called. You have never told me. It's just new.
Can you read it?
Slide Quest.
Nilly.
Quest.
Slide Quest. Yeah? And it's from Blue Orange Games. Yeah. There's the designer and the artist. From 7 years upwards, 1 to 4 players, and plays in about 15 to 45 minutes. Alright?
How old do you need to be?
7.
Or up?
Yeah. Here's the backs. Here's the back. And look, it's got 20 levels of something in there.
20 levels?
20 levels, yes. So actually, Isaac already started opening it before I stopped him. So we're going to continue, aren't we? Yeah? What else we got in?
I never know how to open game boxes. Open Sesame.
Oh, so we've got rules. How big are the rules, Isaac? 1 page?
1 page.
1 page. And not a lot to go by, so that's pretty good. Yeah. There was a bit of writing. So then what we got, what's on top there? What's that?
So
we've got boards with holes in,
yeah.
haven't we?
Yeah. And then on the back it says what level we're on first.
Yeah. So what do you think the holes are for?
I don't really know.
Don't really know.
No.
It's all a bit of a mystery, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's this? Oh, we've got more levels. That is quite a lot.
20
levels. Thick card, but not that thick. Don't ruin that. I think we need that in there.
What is
Oh, that's
that?
a person, isn't it?
But
Oh, look. Those, oh, they look awesome. Oh, what's going on?
what's the other person, isn't it?
No, I think it's just one.
They're in here. Yeah, they're in here.
So, the object of the game is to help the knight get to the end of each map, all the while avoiding traps and obstacles. A path of light will guide him. If you make it to the end of the final map of your game mode, with at least 1 life remaining, you win the game! Yay! So basically it's just one guy who hobbles around. Here's his life force. And I believe that's what level he's on, maybe? Even though it only goes to 10. Yeah, am I right? You got his lives. Yeah?
Yeah, it goes up to
Where's the knight?
9.
Where's the knight? Let's have a look at the knight. So he's just
Goes
a
up to 8.
plastic figure sat on a ball, which kind of slides around quite usefully. What is that for? I think it's got something to do with how this all works. No. And this goes on the side, I believe, somehow. But we need to set it up properly. Yeah? What else we got? We got another life counter here. Don't know what that one's for. Maybe monsters? Oh, we got monsters in there.
Monsters.
Ah. Let's have a look under. Look at the box. Bottom of the box is quite cool.
Look. Wait, some for it. Oh, those are the people.
Yeah, there's other people that haven't quite made it, have they?
And what happens?
Read. Oh, right, okay, I think I'm seeing now what we've got to do with this. But actually take this out. Right.
Can I hold it?
Then these sit on the side. Yeah. Put the other one on the other side. And that, I believe sits like that. Or what I can see in the box. Is that right?
Can I hold it?
Looks very low compared to that picture. So I think then you can tilt this up and down to slide the... It's not the best level surface, but you tilt it up until he goes, oh! And you've got to avoid the holes. And you just got to get him to a certain point.
Is it ball player?
Yeah. So each person will have one of these on the side.
And then if he goes into a hole, what happens?
I think it's a trap, so you'll have to
Leave
start
him.
again.
Is that all you do?
Well, yeah, kind of. But you got other things. Look, what's in here? We haven't even opened that. Or you've not even shown that. Oh, look, what's these? Look. This looks like a doorway. Look, we've got rocks.
Oh, we got like
You got the silicone gel. Or silica gel.
That's not part of it though.
No.
We got a love heart.
We've got a love heart. Can you eat that? Can you eat that love heart?
Yeah.
Got here. We've got. Looks like dynamite. Yeah. What else we got, Izzy?
We've also got.
So these are called. Ah, there they are. These are called villains.
Villains here.
Yeah, they look like kind of weird snails when I first looked at them. But they're not. They're little soldiers.
This came apart.
By the looks of it. What else we got?
This came apart.
So yeah, got 4 sticks of dynamite. Oh no, they're guards. 4 guards, numbered 1 to 4. And then what else we got?
We might have a.
What is it?
A leader.
It's called. This is called the villain.
Yeah, I know, but it's like.
Mhm.
Is it a leader?
Mhm.
And love heart and more of them.
We got anything else in that bag?
And why do it?
Yeah. So we've already got 1 arch in. Yeah. So we've got a couple of arches. And it's like we've got a fence. Looks like they go like in places like that, which stops. Let me go like that.
Another fence.
Which stops the path.
Another fence.
I don't think we got another one here. And what's this one?
Rock.
And a rock. So we've got a couple of fences, a couple of arches, a couple of rocks.
And we got little fence.
Oh, I've got little fences. Oh, maybe that's to replace those then. So maybe there's long fences. Yeah, look, that's better. Yeah, and you've got another little fence. So we've got 2 big fences.
A person fell down.
2 arches, 2 rocks, 4 dynamite, some guards, a villain, and a knight. So that's it. That's basically Isaac
Hello.
unboxing of Side Quest from Blue Orange Game.